I made the clear choice. At the beginning of the new year in January 2022, I'm going to invest $5 a day into VOO for the S&P 500. And I decided I'd do this without talking about it on YouTube for a while and give it a few months to a year before I show my results, even if it didn't work out. Surprisingly, on that very first video, which was posted 6 months later after I did my first investment, I was down pretty bad. In fact, I found the screenshot from that very first video in June of 2022. I had 2.19 shares at a market value of $742.76. This means I was down $123.71 or minus 14.28%. So remember this screenshot because let's see how it is right now as of February 2nd. Now I have 17.16 shares of VOO at a market value of an exciting $10,991. That's an increase of 42.68%. So going from negative 14% to a positive 42% just by staying consistent through that hard time in 2022, right? Make sure you check out this video next for more cool stuff, and we'll see you on the next video.